This one is far away from the entry, but with this, you never say never. It could be one of my wishful thinking orders. And wishful thinking it was. Hello, everyone. This is Phil going over the winning long I shared this Monday in my analysis. If you happen to watch it, then congratulations on catching this awesome trade. So we were looking at the daily 200 EMA, the weekly 55, and I've since been pointed out this trend line by a fellow trader, which also added the extra confluence. And we can see placing it off of here and here, how the candle wick just bounced right off of it. And it is currently, as we are talking, over 130 pips into profit. So how are we going to manage this trade? Well, first off, I already had moved my take profit, but I put it back where it, or my stop loss rather. I put it back where it was originally so I could show you. Once she was in profit, took it, placed it above that 200 EMA there, and we can modify that. Perfect. Now let's drop down to the 4-hour and see if we can see any sort of structure, maybe near this candle wick down here. So let's see. That low here, if we look over, we can see we got a doji right there. So that gives us some indecision as it was on its way down. A lot of volatility due to the Bank of Japan's release statements and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to bring it underneath the 61.8 fib right there. And that's where it's going to sit. So perfect there. My take profit was originally up here, but considering I don't want to be greedy on this one, 175 pips, or yeah, about 170 pips on this move is what I'm aiming for. It got rejected, we can see, by that daily 200 with the spike through, but pretty much perfectly sucked it back up and shot it back up towards the 50 fib, and we have the daily 55 in there. So I'm thinking I'm going to catch this move right underneath that 55. Got my take profit there. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to close half this trade out right now. So I'll do 0.05, close it out, lock in 135 pips profit on this trade so far. I got another, hopefully, about 40 pips to go. Fast forward about 3 hours later, and the price actually came right up and hit the take profit perfectly. If we look on the 1 hour and zoom in, we can see price came up. It spiked up by maybe a couple pips, but that could have even just been the spread. Yeah, about 6 pips it came up and is turned around now, afraid of the daily 55, 50 fib, and the 1 hour 55. And also, if we look on the 4 hour, we can see up here, my take profit was up here, and price would have had to barrel through all of these barriers here. Again, granted, weaker 4-hour EMAs, 38.2 fib, but we do have the 95 psych level up there. So this, moving my take profit down here, made perfect sense, and luckily so, it is retraced about 25 pips now. Anyways, I'll be back again after the weekend with more analysis and hopefully catching some more trades. Take care.